15th of January, about 6 p.m. Today is Sunday. Buying plants for the Chinese New Year, which starts on 22nd January 2023. These are the popular plants, potted plants for the homes, Chinese New Year. Good luck and prosperity. These are the lemons. This is the nursery where the locals buy the plants, potted plants, or big kumquat. It's a Sunday evening, 15 January 2023. So there's the big one. Just stop now. This nursery has a big space and of course lots of plants for display and for sale. All this should be sold before New Year's Eve on January 21, 2023. New Year's Day is on 22nd January 2023. These are the most popular. Bring good luck and prosperity. Kum means orange. Go. See quite a lot for sale. These are the lime. See here. Less orange than the others. These are the favorite ones. These are not the ripened gum yet. The ripened ones are, or the orange ones are there. Now they are meant for display rather than for eating. Apparently they are sprayed with some chemicals. Now this one looks much like lemons, which is an alternative to the gum. I seldom see any display of this in houses. Popular ones are this, yeah. Rows and rows of them. Flowers too.